Hariom students, I hope all of you are staying safe at home. You practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel. Always you remember it. Today's what is the Swamiji saying? Man can change his destiny not by wishing for it but by working for it. മനുഷ്യന് തൻ്റെ വിധിയെ മാറ്റാൻ കഴിയും. അത് കൊതിക്കുന്നതിലൂടെയല്ല, മറിച്ച് അതിനുവേണ്ടി പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നതിലൂടെയാണ്. Man can change his destiny not by wishing for it but by working for it. Then we can yesterday we studied the lines and angles, the properties of lines. Today we can do some problems based on the lines and angles. Okay, first question. In the following figure, AOB is a straight line. Find the value of x. Hence find the angle AOC and angle BOD. Here this angle, find the angle AOC and angle BOD. Here AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. This is angle AOB is a straight line and AOC, this is C and this is D. Then find angle AOC and angle BOD. Amal, what is the property? If the angles are on the same line, what is the sum of these angles, Amal? If the angles are on the same line, then sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, we can say angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Because angle, sum of the angles on the same line is equal to 180. That is angles on the same line. Angles on the same line, the sum is equal to 180 degree. Then what is the measure of angle AOC in the figure? It is equal to x plus 20 degree. So it is equal to x plus 20 plus angle COD is 55 plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 180. That is, simplifying, what we get? X plus 3x is 4x, 20 plus 55 is 75. 75 minus 5 is plus 70 is equal to 180. Then 4x is equal to 180 minus 70, or 4x is equal to 110 degree. Then what is x? X is equal to 110 by 4. That is equal to 110 divided by 4. So 28. Then it is equal to 27.5. So it is equal to 27.5. X is equal to 27.5. Then x is equal to 27.5. Then what is the, if x is equal to 27.5, we can find angle AOC. What is angle AOC? Angle AOC is equal to x plus 20. That is equal to 27.5 plus 20. That is equal to 47.5 degree. Then what is angle BOD? Angle BOD is equal to 3x minus 5. That is 3 into 27.5 minus 5. 3 into 27.5 minus 5. Then what is 3 into 27.5 into 3? It's equal to 82.5. That is equal to 82.5 minus 5. That is equal to 77.5 degrees. So what is the measure of angle BOD? Angle BOD is equal to 77.5 degree. So if the angles are on the same lines, then AOB is a straight line. Then sum of the angles is 180 degree. That is angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD is 180 degree. That is x plus 20 plus 55 plus 3x minus 5 is 180. Then 4x is equal to 110. X is equal to 110 by 4. That is equal to 27.5. Then angle AOC is equal to x plus 20, that is 27.5 plus 20 is equal to 47.5 degree. And angle BOD is equal to 3x minus 5, that is equal to 3 into 27.5 minus 5, that is equal to 82.5 minus 5, that is equal to 77.5 degree. Therefore, the angle AOC is equal to 47.5 degree and angle BOD is equal to 77.5 degree. Next question. In the following figure, if OA, OB and OC are the rays such that angle AOB is equal to angle COD is equal to 180 degree, angle BOC is equal to 30 degree and angle AOD is equal to 30 degree. Is it true AOC and BOD are straight lines? If AOC is a straight line, the sum of the angles in that line is 180 degree. Then what is the, here this is angle AOC. Then if angle BOC plus angle AOB is 180 degree, then we can say that AOC is a straight line. We can check whether it is a straight line. Angle BOC plus angle AOB is equal to angle BOC plus angle AOB is equal to 30 degree plus 150 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So the sum of the angles is in this line, these two angles, angle BOC plus angle AOB is equal to 180. Therefore, we can say that AOC is a straight line. Therefore, AOC is a straight line. AOC is a straight line. If the sum of the angles in that line is 180 degree, we can say that this line is a straight line. Then BOD, what is the line? This is the line BOD. Then we can check whether the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Angle BOA plus angle AOD is equal, what is angle BOA here? Is equal to 150 degree plus angle AOD is 30 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, this angle BOA plus angle AOD is 180 degree. Therefore, we can say that this line, these two angles are 180. Therefore, this line is BD. Therefore, BD is a straight line. BOD. Therefore, BOD is a straight line. BOD is a straight line. So, if it is a straight line, the sum of the angles on the same line is equal to 180 degree. Here, angle BOC plus angle AOB is equal to 30 degree plus 150 degree. That is 180 degree. Therefore, AOC is a straight line. Then angle BOA plus angle AOD is equal to, that is 150 plus 30. That is also 180 degree. Therefore, we can say that BOD is also a straight line. So, to check whether a line is a straight line, you find the sum of the angles in that line. If the sum is 180 degree, then we can say that that is a straight line. Otherwise, it is not a straight line. Next question. Two lines AB and CD intersect at O such that angle BOC plus angle AOD is 280 degree as shown in the following figure. Find out all the four angles. Here, two lines AB and CD intersect at O. Then it is given that angle BOC plus angle AOD, angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 280 degree. Then look at the figure, angle BOC and angle AOD. Angle AOC and Shubhan, what type of angles are this? Angle BOC and angle AOD? They are vertically opposite angles. So, we studied that the vertically opposite angles are equal. Then we can say that angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. Why? Because the vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. We can let angle BOC is equal to angle AOD is equal to x. We can take it as x. Therefore, it is given that angle BOC plus angle AOD is 280 degree. Therefore, x plus x is equal to 280. Then what is 2x is equal to 280. Then what is x? X is equal to 280 by 2. X is equal to 280 by 2. Panjima, what is the answer? 280 by 2 is 140. X is equal to 140. Then if x is equal to 140, these two angles are, this angle is 140 degree and this angle is 140 degree. That is, the vertically opposite angles are equal. In your question it is given that angle BOC plus angle AOD is 280 degree. We know that angle BOC is equal to angle AOD because the vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, we take angle BOC is equal to angle AOD is equal to x. Therefore, x plus x is equal to 280. 2x is equal to 100. Then what is x? X is equal to 280 by 2. That is 140. Then find all the 4 angles. Then you have to find these angles also. Then look at the figure. Angle AOC and angle BOC are, what type of angles are these? Unni? These two angles are linear pair. Then the sum of these angles is 180 degree. Therefore, we can find this angle. Then angle AOC and angle BOC are linear pair. Linear pairs. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. That is angle AOC. What is the measure of angle BOC? BOC is equal to 140 is equal to 180. Then what is angle AOC? Angle AOC is equal to 180 minus 140. That is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, angle AOC is equal to, we got this angle as 40 degree. Then look here, angle AOC and angle BOD are also vertically opposite angle. Therefore, if angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, what is angle BOD? Therefore, angle BOD is equal to, therefore, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Why? Because angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So they are equal. Therefore, if angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, then angle BOD is also 40 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. So, here first it is given that angle BOC plus angle AOD is 280 degree. Then we know that angle BOC and angle AOD are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. We take angle BOC and angle AOD as x. Therefore, x plus x is equal to 280. 2x is equal to 180. X is equal to 280 by 2. That is equal to 140. Then, what is angle AOC and angle BOC are? These two angles are linear pairs. Therefore, the sum of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle BOC is 180 degree. Angle AOC plus here BOC is 140 degree. Therefore, angle AOC plus 140 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOC is equal to 180 minus 40. That is equal to 180 minus 140. That is equal to 40 degree. Then angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Why? Because angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. So they are equal. The vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, we find all the 4 angles of this. What are the angles? Here, first angle AOD is equal to 140 degree. Then angle, this angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. And angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Angle AOD is equal to 140 degree. Here, angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, angle BOD is also 40 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So, we got all the 4 angles of this figure. Okay. Next question. find the measure of an angle which is equal to twice its complement. Let the angle be x. Let the angle be x. Then what is the complement of the angle? Its complement is complement. Srihari, what do you mean by complement? If the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, then they are complementary angles. So if one angle is x, then what is the its complement is 90 minus x. Then it is given, find the measure of an angle which is equal to twice its complement. Then x is equal to twice its complement is 2 into 90 minus x. Find an angle which is equal to twice its complement. Therefore x is equal to 2 into 90 minus x. Then what is x? It's equal to 2 into 90 is 180 minus 2x. 2 into 180 minus, then x is equal to 2 minus 2x. We can transpose this minus 2x to the LHS. Then it is equal to minus 2x plus x is 3x. 3x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 3. That is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. Next question. Find the measure of an angle which is equal to 3 times its supplement. Then let the angle be x. Let the angle be x. Then what is the supplement of its supplement is Pajas. What is the supplement of the angle x? What do you mean by supplementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. Then if one angle is x, what is its supplement? Supplement is 180 minus x. But in your question it is given that find the measure of an angle which is equal to 3 times its supplement. Therefore, x is equal to 3 into 180 minus x. Or x 3 into 180 is 540. 540 minus 3x. We can transpose this minus 3x to the LHS. That is x plus 3x is 540. Then 4x is equal to 540. Then what is x? Therefore, x is equal to 540 by 4. That is 540 divided by 4. How many times? 1 time. That is equal to 135. Is equal to 20. That is equal to 135. X is equal to 135. So, find the measure of an angle which is equal to 3 times its supplement. We know that the sum of supplementary angles means if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. Therefore, if one angle is x, the other angle is 180 minus x. Therefore, x is equal to, it is in your question it is given that the angle is equal to 3 times its supplement. Therefore, x is equal to 3 into 180 minus x. If one angle is x, the supplement is 180 minus x. Therefore, x is equal to 3 into 180 minus x. Or x is equal to 3 into 180 is 540 minus 3x. Then we can transpose this minus 3x to the LHS. Then this is x plus 3x is 540. Then 4x is equal to 540. Then what is x? X is equal to 540 by 4. That is equal to 135 degree. Therefore, what is the 135 degree? What is the angle, the measure of an angle which is equal to 3 times its supplement? We take the angle as x. Therefore, supplement is 180 minus x. Therefore, x is equal to 3 into 180 minus x. Substituting the values, we got the value of x. X is equal to 135 degree. Therefore, the angle is 135 degrees. So, what do you mean by complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, they are called the complementary angles. And if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. Then what do you mean by linear pair? If that is the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, they are called a linear pair. Then the sum of the angles in a linear pair is 180. If two adjacent angles are 180 degree, they are called a linear pair. Then we also studied that the vertically opposite angles are equal. The measure of the two angles, if they are vertically opposite angles, then they are equal. So the sum of the angles in the linear pair is 180 degree. Then complementary means sum of the angles is 90 degree. It is called complementary angles. And if the sum of the two angles is 180 degree, they are called as supplementary angles. You remember all this, okay? We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and Hari Om.